Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can run a task in background or how you can use cron job in Django. Means if you need something like taking database backup, sending email, so all this comes in scheduled tasks. Like if you want to send a report every day, so all this comes in scheduled tasks or cron job, or like you want to take database backup every night. So there are lots of things you want to do using cron jobs. Like some users take a subscription from you and you want to expire every 30 days. So all this comes in scheduled tasks or cron job, you can say it. So let's see how you can use cron job in Django. So here Windows does not support cron job. So I am using this cron job usage in my server, which I already saw in previous video how you can deploy app on Django cPanel. So let's get started. I am using here same Django cPanel where I deploy my Django app. Now let's see how you can run cron job in your Django project which is running on cPanel server. So let's get started. First, here you can see I already log in. You can see I already log in my console or server using Putty. You can check my previous tutorial on Django deploy app on cPanel. So you understand this, how you can open this and how you can log in into your server. So now let's get started. First clear it. Now let's see. First you need to activate virtual environment. Currently you are running on directly server. So let's switch to our virtual environment. So running command. First running command source, then home, then your username, then virtual environment, type tab, so understand it, then my app, then type tab, then 3.7, then again type tab, then type bin, then again type tab, then type activate. Now click enter. So you can see my virtual environment has been activated. So now let's see. First step, you need to install Django cron. So install Django cron by running command. Copy this and again come here, pip install and paste the command by typing shift plus insert. Click enter. So it done. Now add this in your install app. So copy it, then again come here, now type cd home, then username, then your project location. So I already uploaded my project in my app, click enter, type ls, so you can see folder names, then type cd my app, again type ls, then open this settings.py. So running command nano settings, click enter. Now come below and here install app. Now add your app here. So adding my app, type shift plus insert to paste. Type Ctrl X to exit from nano. So typing Ctrl plus X, then type yes, only type Y, then type enter. Then run this command. So copy it. Again type shift plus insert, enter, and there is error. So let's see ls, and you can see change directory to upper directory, cd ls, and here is our manage.py. So again paste the command by typing shift plus insert, click enter, and you can see migration command run successfully for Django cron. Now again come here. So first you need to create a class. So let's create this, create a new class. So come here, back. So here print ls, then change directory, cd my app, click enter, then type ls. Now here creates a new file. So creating my new file here, copy this command. So you can see this app unity registered. So creating a new file, nano cron.py, enter. Then in this class, copy this whole code, copy it, paste here by typing shift plus insert, paste here. Then so you can see this task will run every 2 hours. So instead of 2 hours, I am changing it to every minute. Then in code, writing something code like print it run on every minute. Type Ctrl X, then Y, click enter. So this file will print every minute a message on console. You can't see this message, but I will show you how you can see the cron job log later. So now just come here and register this class in settings.py. So copy it, then open nano, settings.py, and come in bottom and paste command shift plus insert, and remove this because we are not running in my app, we are simply running cron, then my class name which is my cron job. So it's done. Remove this, and remove this dot. Type Ctrl X, then Y, then click enter. Now let's run our task. So copy this Ctrl cron tab E, type command, again paste shift plus insert, and you can see there is no command paste yet. So let's do thing. Copy this wall command. So copy this wall command, come here, first edit this file. So after copying, let's edit it. So open notepad, paste command, and here change this to your username. Come here, paste your username here, copy it and paste here. Here you need to pass your location, so paste this and here. So my virtual environment is location is, you can see the virtual environment location. Copy it then paste here. Bin activate, then Python username, and here remove this wall code and paste your project location. So you can see my project location is inside my app, then my app. So home, my app, then my app, then okay, only one my app. Remove this, manage.py and log inside. Copy this and paste here. Now copy this command and paste here by typing shift plus insert. You can see this time it does not show any error. Click enter and there is one more error, pattern not found. So instead of this, remove this and copy again. Again type shift plus insert, type enter. Now exit from this WQ errors in cron tab. Okay, enter again. So here is something error. Let's delete the wall content. Come again and copy all command. Again open putty, type shift plus insert. So here is something error again. Okay, star 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 star. So let's see how many stars there are. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 star done. Then source. Now type first escape, then colon, then WQ. So you can see this time cron job has been installed in your server. Now let's do thing. First open your server, cron job has been installed or not. So come here in cron job, so you can see it's showing one cron job. You can also use this way to install cron job in your server, but I show you how you can install cron job using command line. So it's done. Now let's see our server is opening or not. Now let's see. First Python app. Let's click on this or restart it. Now let's check this is working or not. So Django test. Django test. So my project is running, but now let's see our cron job is running or not. So type ls, change directory, type ls, and you can see there is file created cronjob.log. So open it, and you can see there is error, but my file is running. So let's fix this. Cron.myjob now module on cron. So let's fix this. Type Control X, then open the file again. So first delete this file, rmr cronjob.log. File is deleted. Now let's correct this error of cron. So change cd my app ls nano cron.py. Let's close this first, Control X. Yes. Then again open settings.py, and here adding my app name also, my app dot, again type Control X, Y, enter. Let's check cron is working or not. So you can directly running this command for checking your cron job. So let's copy this and paste here, shift insert, and my app. Okay, first in directory. So cd my app, then type shift plus insert, and you can see change this to my cron job does not has attribute code. Let's fix this file again. So here is error, my app.mycronjob. Type Control X, Y, enter. Again run the same command. Okay, cd, then run command. So you can see this time cron run successfully. Change directory, and this time it's showing. So let's see. So you can see it run on every minute. So let's close it. And only there is one error in my project of cron job. I miss my app name. So don't get confused. All this is just for debugging the code. So my main mistake is this nano my app settings, and here comes. So my whole process is okay, only I do a small mistake, I miss this my app. So don't get confused what I do in previous step, just correct this my app because I miss my folder name of project. After adding this, it's running cron. Let's type Control X and exit from this, and again change, and again print ls. Let's do one thing, again open this file nano my app, then cron.py, and here add one thing like this, plus then time equal to date time dot date time dot now. Also import this date time, so come in top, enter import date time, and here str time. Now again type Ctrl X, then Y, enter. Now again run the command, and you can see inconsistent tab. So let's create this. When you are working with Nano, there is lots of error coming in tab. Ctrl X, Y, enter, and you can see it run on every minute. But let's run this file on cron. So type cron, and you can see this time file is empty, but wait few moments when cron is running. So basically our cron file is rewrite the content of cron tab.log. So that's why I use time, so we can identify cron is running every minute. So that's why I add time, so you can see every time will change, because earlier only it print message. So that's why we can't understand cron is running or not. So that's why I add time, so you can see the difference between previous cron tab and next cron job. Wait few minutes. Let's open this file again, and you can see this time it print message. Let's copy this because we will verify it's changed or not. So copy it and paste in Notepad. Let's see. Now again I will open file after 1 minute. So wait few moments. Let's delete this file. RMR cron tab. Wait few seconds. Let's check it's running or not. So wait few moments. Let's type ls, and you can see file has been created. Let's try to open it, and you can see it's run again after some second. So you can see my cron job is running. Again it's running, so our cron is working. So in this way you can create a cron job in Django and use it in your server for running tasks in background for every minute, for every hour, for every day, what you like. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. And also I will use this feature in Django medical show management system to expire our medicine